Hello everybody, welcome back to Construction Simulator. So we are in the middle of a dilemma, okay? So I've run out of money, we still need some concrete. So I was looking into the options, and it looks like the only option I'm going to have is to take out a loan. Because I do not have the open slot to just go grab a quick offer. So we're going to have to go take out a loan right here. We're going to have to take this 2,500 or 250,000 loan. So there we go. We have the loan taken out, which means we have enough money for some concrete. So what I am going to do is we're going to head to the concrete factory and actually fill this up because, you know, we got to save some money. We are going to, when we finish this concreting, here, I'll show you what I'm talking about here. We go to the, here. This is going to pay out 640,000 once we finish the concreting. So we're going to be able to basically repay that loan back in just a couple of minutes here. And I'll actually be able to sell back some of this concrete as well. Because I believe this is the last of the concrete we need for this job. I'm going to double check that in just a moment. But yeah, so we've got that. Let's go ahead and take a look at the job. Bearing structure, beams, special component, crane work. Yeah, it's all crane work. And then we've got the road construction, which will be another monstrous task. But for now, we've got the concrete we need. Let's go get that delivered, dropped off, and kind of go from there. We'll be able to get the concrete pump returned. And then we'll have to rent out a crane truck. We got a lot of stuff to do here. But for starters, we need to go ahead and hook this concrete mixer up to the concrete pump, and we got to finish this this pillar, which I don't believe is going to need too much more concrete, but we shall see. Start pouring, and yeah, we'll see what happens. I am concerned that it says 36%, so I think we're probably still going to be doing some more concreting. But let's go ahead and finish this up and see what happens here. Oh, that's 36% just for this column piece. Okay, that's not too bad though. That was all we needed. Look at that. We got 640,000 now. We've got all the money we needed. All we needed was just a little bit there. So let's go ahead and get everything out of the way here. Stop pouring. Let's get you out of here so we don't deal with... You know, actually, I don't need to empty the concrete truck. That'd be nice. I'm going to keep that there if we need some extra money. But we do not necessarily need to empty the concrete truck right now. Because since I own the concrete truck, we can just use that concrete for the next job. So, go ahead and reset, move to drive mode. Let's get this out of the way here. Alright, there we go. So now we got to move bridge girders. Okay, so the first thing we need to do, because we don't need the concrete pump anymore, let's go to the vehicle fleet. Let's go ahead and return concrete pump. We don't need that anymore. What we do need, though, is a massive crane truck. So let's go... enter the vehicle dealer and find us a crane. Where's it? Crane. Cranes! There we are. So we got the big crane. We got the little crane. I think we're probably going to need the big crane for this one. So we're going to go ahead and rent the big crane. It's 10% off. Oop. There we go. Enter the big crane. And now our construction project is officially underway. We have solved the money problem. For now, anyway. Alright, so now that we have the crane, we can now move to the job site. We're just kind of jumping around menus here real quick. Alright, so this is what we need, and we need to place it all the way up there. So let's go ahead and hop into crane mode. Hopefully this thing can reach. I'm gonna have to crane it from down there, I think. Yeah, there's no way this thing is gonna reach from up. So let's go ahead and head down. That is pretty far. Good thing we got plenty of wheels. Alright, this should be able to reach from here. There we go. Now we're in great mode. Okay. Now we can put the bridge girder in place here. Let's move this over here. There we go. We got this giant concrete piece over here. Okay, that's in place. And now we got to grab the one from the other side. Okay. So we're most likely going to be moving this crane back and forth as we get everything set up on the bridge. Got a lot to do here. So where are we at? Right here. Okay. I need to get down below. So I'm just going to squeeze my way through this traffic here. Sorry. I'm moving through here in the name of construction. It's okay. Please do not contact my insurance company. You will not get a response. Let's head down here. Okay. Alright, same thing here. Let's do crane mode. Let's grab the big girder. See that a little better? Alright, let's reach down and grab it. There we go. Alright, now we just spin it around. Let's try not to slam it into the wonderful pillars that we just concreted and went bankrupt on. That wouldn't be a good thing. Okay, bridge girder is installed. Now we got to install the saddle, the cable saddles. These are right down here. Alright, let's go ahead and grab that. So we're going to install 2 of them on this side, and then we got to install 2 more on the other side. Alright, that one's done. Alright, now we drop the hook down and let's grab it. This one's got to go all the way up on the other side here. Alrighty. So now, let's go back to drive mode. Let's head on over to the other side and get the cable saddles installed over there. Alright, so just like last time, we're going to head down. And we'll grab them from down below. That did not work. Okay, well, close enough, we can reset the truck. Alright, let's go ahead and get into crane mode. Alright, so just like the other side, we're going to go ahead and grab 2 of these cable saddles and get those installed. Alright, there's that one. Okay, go ahead and grab this next one. And now we're going to swing this around to the left. Okay, cable saddles are installed. Need to go ahead and move the crane truck out of the way. Huge progress now. We're making huge progress. Okay, now we got to install the bridge deck, which is this big thing right here. Look, we got all those cables installed. Look at this big old piece. This is cool. There we go. Get that installed. Alright, we got another one to grab here. Where is it? Oh, I'm too low. Okay, we got this piece. And we're just going to swing this around. Okay, that one's installed. Let's go ahead and grab this next one. Go, and then we got one more. This one's just going to go straight up. Interesting. Curious to see if I can reach that from here. Should be able to. Yeah, this is very interesting indeed here. I almost wonder if I need to go ahead and just drive up onto the bridge. Because it is looking like the bridge section that we are working on right now is actually drivable now. I don't know if I can finagle this piece in here right now. Can it go? Oh, yep, I got it. Okay. Alright, so I am kind of stuck in between the cables right now. I want to try to get as many of these as I can from here. And if we need to, we will go ahead and start driving on the bridge. Okay, we got that one. This one looks like it's just a lift. Okay, we are going to need to go up onto the bridge. So let's go ahead and make our way up onto the bridge. I'm wondering if it'll just let me go all the way across the bridge, or if I'm going to have to head over to the other side and start building there. I guess we're going to find out, aren't we? But let's keep working this side while we got the crane truck here. And we will cross that bridge when we get there. That did not work. But this worked. Okay. Alright, so now that we're up on top of the bridge, let's go grab these parts and pieces. So with this, it should just be a lift and install. However far the crane will reach. Nope, that looks like it. Alright, well, we got to tackle the other side of this bridge. Alright, so now we've made it to the other side of the bridge. We've got some range to do here. I went ahead and just deployed us right from the road itself. It's going to be a lot easier than trying to go back up. Hopefully I can still reach this thing from here. Looks like I can, which is perfect. Alright, we got to install some more bridge decks. Alright, so we're going to install a few of these and then pull forward on the bridge, and then it should do the same thing with some out in the water there. Alright, let's bring this one down. Go. Can't see it. Where's my green? There it is. Alright, we'll grab this piece. Bring that up, and then this next one should just be a lift. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, since we are now grabbing the pieces off of the water there, we're going to pull forward. Now we should be able to grab the rest of the pieces from here. Maybe? We should be able to anyway. Anyway, once we get a few more pieces in, we'll be able to pull forward, and then it will not be an issue at all. So, let's go ahead and grab this one. So pretty much if that barge with the part moves, then we're going to pull forward. That one's just a lift. Can I? I should be able to just reach this piece, I think. Should be able to do that without moving the crane. Yeah. We're good. Alright. This one's just a lift and pull back. This crane does have some reach on it. It has a lot more reach than I thought it would. Oh yeah, look at that. I can reach all the way across here. Good to know. I didn't know this crane had this much reach. So that's good. Alright, one more piece. Just bring it straight up through the middle here. And install it. There we go. Alright, look at that. We got us a bridge. But we're not done yet. Because we still have to pave it. We still got to pave it. Let's go ahead and get out of the way first, though. Alright, there we go. So, yeah, the last step here is to pave and compact. So we got a lot of paving to do in the next part. So hope you guys are enjoying Construction Simulator. We got a lot more to do yet. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys are enjoying. And until next time, I'll see you on the job site. Bye-bye.